everybody, it's me. Hello. I stepped outside to sit in my backyard area, and look, it's coming in. A storm. It's coming. Here's the clear area. This is north. It's pretty dark, isn't it? East. South. This way, over here, that way, is Disney World at night. When they were doing the fireworks at Disney World, we could see them and hear them. It was pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So anyways, look, it's coming in. Look at that. That mess is coming in. Here's my backyard. Nice pool. Just had to add water to it yesterday. Here is my turtle, if you can see him. He says a temperature, but he did, because I broke it. I threw it and broke it. But I threw it only because I would throw it to go swim and chase to it. But over here is our current one. Let's see what the temperature is. Current temperature of the pool is about 86 degrees. Not too bad, huh? Let's sit down in the pool here on the edge. Actually, just put our feet in. Yeah. That feels good. It was just cleaned out yesterday too, so it's pretty good shape. Let's go swim in it, but it's going to rain here soon. Footprints. I can see my footprints. I just get out and I walk around the pool area, dry my feet off. We come out here many times, my husband and I, just to walk around the pool, to get some exercise from not just sitting in the house. Just come and walk around. This is all screened in, keep the bugs and lizards out. So we just walk around and go exercise and just hang out. Just hang out. Here's our chairs. We sit here quite a bit too. These chairs are from one of the Disney resorts. They're really comfortable. Let's sit down in one. And they rock. Oh, it feels good. Rock. Rock. I have fallen asleep out in these chairs. It gets so warm back here and I fall asleep. Yeah, so. See my wind chimes. And these are new here. That one's fairly new. And this one. I got two of each of these. Better view. There. I collect wind chimes. I don't have too many. Yeah. That's the backyard area. I have some plants. And now we're going to wait for the rain to come in. Let's check on it. It's coming. Black clouds over there. Really black. It's going to pour here pretty soon. And there's thunder right on cue. There it is. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's thundering. The rain is here. Not sure we can see it on the camera. You see water droplets in the pool. It's going to rain hard. I can hear it getting ready. Here it is. Bring on the rain. I love to watch it rain. I'm sitting underneath so I don't get all wet. There's thunder again. I love to sit and watch it and listen to it rain. Can you hear it? Oh, I'm getting wet. Gotta move in. A little too far. It's like white noise at night to help you sleep. The sound of rain. It's good to sleep in the rain. Maybe I should take a nap. Maybe not. Oh. Oh, woke myself up snoring. Let's watch and listen to it rain. Good thing I filled up my pool. And good thing to know, my pool will not overfill. If it does, it has not, it'll drain right down there. This slatted area. Rain, 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 rain. Keep on raining. I want it to rain. The thing about Florida, it's nice when it rains. When it rains, it doesn't last all day. This is a quick passing storm. It rained like a couple hours ago. Rained and left, and now it's back. It's gonna be a rainy July 3rd weekend, but not all the time. Oh, it's just getting louder and louder. You hear that? It's just pouring. Absolutely pouring. Get my wind chimes going. Forget. Keep on raining. Guess we're gonna be too in the pool. Why don't you just go? There it goes. Wants to come out. You see a turtle over there? He says, oh no, I better take cover. I better take cover quick. No! No! Rain, 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 rain. That umbrella I walk out there, but I don't get all wet. My feet are getting wet. But that's okay. Just my feet. Oh. Yeah. Not getting very far. Kind of staying in one spot, isn't it? Oh, now they said something. It's gonna move around. You can see the trees through the screen, but they're blowing. This one right here, you can kind of see it. That one's going. Sometimes in storms, you can really see these trees blowing like crazy. Oh, it's gonna pour more. picking up. You can feel the temperature changing. You can feel it, just the temperature is just dropping. Oh, look. Yeah. It'll all come out. Let it just pour, and we can use the rain. It'll clear up later. It'll be a good Friday night. What are your plans for July 4th? Any plans to going out? We are going to grill. We have an indoor grill, so we're going to grill inside. We're going to have hamburgers, hot dogs, potato salad, and macaroni salad, and beans. Nice little meal at home. How about you? What are y'all going to have? Are you going to see fireworks? Oh, we bought some fireworks. We bought some sparklers and those little snap it things you throw on the ground, they pop. I think they're called Pop-Its. There's two different brands, but the one that we bought is called Pop-It. What are you doing for the 4th? Anything interesting? Leave a comment. It'd be nice to know what you're doing. Look at it. See it. It's coming down like crazy. Take care. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye. Have a safe holiday weekend. Catch you later.